Guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're watching for the very first time, my name is Moby Queer and not Mobile Queer. So today I'm going to show you the PR packages I got. I went to a perfume store, so let's unbox what I bought. I got this Mosuf perf. So I got this perf and let's see how it smells, because this is my first time getting something like this. I love the color. I love how it looks like. So let's spray and see how it smells. Do I really like it? I love it. It's not that bad. Not that bad at all. I give it 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Not that bad at all. Not that bad. So I give it 8 out of 10. So let's try the other ones. I also got the Kaylee spray. Just saw it and let me try it. Let's see how it smells. It smells like you're just coming out from your bed. Something that you can spray all over your body when you're just snow. So that is what it smells like, but it really smells nice. Okay, that's by the way. So I got 2 perfume oils too. 2 perfume oils. And one is in Sugar Baby and the other one Mad About. Sugar Baby. Mad About. So let me try Sugar Baby first. And let's see how it smells like. I'm not going to put this at the back of my hand like this. It smells like candy. It smells really good. It's not that bad at all. Nice. This one when you are with your baby. And this next one is Mad About You. Why do I feel I like this one? This to die for. Oh my god, I like the smell. I like the smell of this one. Mad. It's actually Mad About You. I like the smell of this. I think I'm going to get more of this next time. Nice. That's by the way. So next but not the least, Zika Cosmetics sent me a box. So let's see what's inside. I haven't opened it. I said I'll open it for my YouTube people. Okay. So I have a lot of these boxes, like a lot of these boxes. So let's see what they put inside. Wow, this is all this inside. I'm one of the payout list, so give me a top, another wipes. So give me wipes. I love this wipes so much. Oh, the new launch pencil. They gave me the shimmer, the black and shimmer like that. I can't wait to try this out. Then also sent me a concealer. So concealers from Omaji. Yes, so that's all. So that's all that is inside the box. Yep. I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Okay.